Two holes in it that you can see from the cableway. They're a bit hard to see from the Skyway. There's also some handrails and some stairs. It was a very popular lookout up until 1974, sorry. 1974, and you most likely going to be going anyway. Alright, as we come into station, everyone, if you would like
all comfortable? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, here we go. Put your knees against here. Put your knees up. at the board from the left. So once again, everyone will be required to exit the ride and then all these people enjoy the rest of your day here at Scenic Railway.
Yeah, this is the best place. That's Three Sisters.
There's a natural way through the back of the rock. Behind this rock would be a huge side of the rock with the turbulence created by the rock shape force the air into the hole, into the mine.
Into the mine.
Alright everybody on board, the steepest cable car in the Southern Hemisphere, here we go. This is actually my favourite of the three rides. We're travelling up out of the Jamison Valley Rainforest past the beautiful canopy. I'm going to point out a few things as we travel up. The first will be the canopy itself. As we clear the top of the canopy, you're going to notice something weird about it. Most of the trees around us look like broccoli. They look like big broccoli plants. It's not really. In 1879, nearly every tree in this valley was cut down. They were cut down to tree stumps. It needs to be very big, very old eucalyptus trees.